Hello everybody, how are you doing? In this session, let's take a look at the maps in Java. Map is one of the most important data structures in Java. So we have different types of map. One is HashMap, TreeMap, and Hashtable, LinkedHashMap. So let's take a look at them one by one. First one is HashMap. So we have this object. Inside we have the constructor, we have the equals, hash code. For these two methods you must have if you are going to use HashMap, any map for an object. So these two methods is going to differentiate, identify your object. So we use the HashMap like this. We create the HashMap object and we have this objects. Then we add on the object to this HashMap. So the object will be the key of the entry of the map, and the value we use integer here. So after we add, we can check the size of the map. We are adding 4 different objects. So it depends on the equals and the hash code you are using for these objects. So for current definition, these 4 objects will be different. So let's check the size of map. I'll run our test case. So for this one, we have 4 elements inside. We add 4 objects with the values. So we have 4 entries, and we print out each entry. If you look at the elements here, so right now it's showing the elements by the insertion order. If we run it another time, let's see whether it's still following the same order or not. So this time it's not following the insertion order, so means Hashtable has no responsibility to maintain the insertion order. Please keep that in mind when you are using HashMap. So let's take a look at TreeMap. TreeMap is the map will sort your data for you. So because of the sorting feature, you need implement this comparable interface for your object. So we have this constructor, we have this equals hash code. We also need override this compare to interface for the comparable interface. So inside we just compare the size simply. So when we construct the tree map, we provide the size of the object as well. So then we put all the elements with the values to this tree map. When we output, we should see all the object will be sorted. So you see the data will be sorted by the size. If we run it again, the order won't be changed. So the tree map will ensure the order of the elements. So the sorting mechanism is determined by this method. Is determined by the size. Let's take a look at Hashtable. Hashtable is almost the same with HashMap. Instead of being unsynchronized, the Hashtable is thread safe is synchronized. So that causes the performance of the Hashtable a little bit slower than HashMap. So if we run the Hashtable, so each time it will give us different orders of data. So look at this one. You have this order. It's a kind of random order. So you run it another time, you will get another order for the data. It's the same like HashMap. There's no guarantee for HashMap and Hashtable to maintain the order for you. Let's take a look at LinkedHashMap. LinkedHashMap is similar to HashMap, but the LinkedHashMap has the feature to keep the insertion order for you. it's not going to sort your data, it just maintain the insertion order for you. For example, here we inserted data with this order. When we output the elements, it will maintain that order for you. So run it another time, it will still maintain that order for you. So that's all for the maps in Java. Thanks for watching. See you next time.